The least common multiple of A and B is 12. And the least common multiple of B and C is 15. What is the least possible value of the least common multiple of A and C? A. 20. B. 30. C. 60. D. 120. E. 180. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key idea. Since B divides the least common multiple of A and B, which is 12, and B also divides the least common multiple of B and C, which is 15, B must divide both 12 and 15. So B divides the greatest common divisor of 12 and 15, which is 3. That means B is either 1 or 3. And in any case B has no factor of 2 and no factor of 5. Now factor 12. 12 equals 2 squared times 3. Since B has no factor of 2, the A and the least common multiple of A and B must supply the 2 squared. That is, the factor of 4. So A must be a multiple of 4. Let's take A equals 4. Next, factor 15. 15 equals 3 times 5. Since B has no factor of 5, the C and the least common multiple of B and C must supply the factor of 5. So C must be a multiple of 5. Let's take C equals 5. Finally, the least common multiple of A and C. A needs the 2 squared and C needs the 5. So the least common multiple of A and C is at least 4 times 5, which is 20. Taking A equals 4 and C equals 5. The least common multiple of 4 and 5 is exactly 20. So 20 can be achieved. The least possible value is 20.